Hey everybody, Paul Oster, the nation's credit repairman and the president of Better Qualified. We are your business and consumer credit experts. I'm super excited about working with Hector Castillo's team, Exit, Downstate New York. Over the past 10 years, we have helped thousands of clients of Exit International. But most recently, in working with Hector's team, we've seen the greatest impact that we can have on you as an agent of Exit and your clients. Quite simply, folks, if you have a client that has any credit issues at all, late payments, collections, judgments, charge-offs, you need to send them over to Better Qualified for a free credit consultation and analysis. Let us figure out, can we delete the late payments? Can we settle their debt? Can we get them to the closing table? We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We've been doing this for over 10 years. Just recently, we joined the Premier Partner Program with Exit. This is an awesome opportunity for you as an agent of Exit to close more deals. I don't care if the client is buying, selling, refining, or renting. If they have a credit issue, you only have one choice, and that's to send them over to Better Qualified so we can help you grow your business. Oh, and by the way, I'm sure everyone knows Giselle. So if you're looking for a reference as to what we can do for either you or your clients, just give her a call. She loves Better Qualified.